Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Econo Lodge Richmond Hill. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Econo Lodge Hotel is located off Interstate 95, just 5 miles from Savannah Festival Factory Stores. This Richmond Hill hotel is minutes from many attractions in historic Savannah, Georgia's oldest city. Local points of interest include Fort McAllister Historic Park, Old Fort Jackson, Fort Plantation and the Savannah History Museum. Additional points of interest include Armstrong Atlantic State University, Fort Morris Historic Site, Fort Pulaski National Monument and Midway Museum. The Savannah, Hilton Head International Airport is 12 miles away. Hotel amenities and features include free local calls and free coffee. Business travelers will appreciate free wireless high-speed internet access in all rooms and access to copy and fax services. In addition to standard amenities, all guest rooms come equipped with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers and cable television with HBO. Hair dryers, irons and ironing boards are available upon request. Guest laundry facilities are located on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.